Good afternoon. I'm just about ready to receive our mystery appliance, or whatever you want to call it. I've heard on the, I had a phone call to say that it's on its way, so hello. I think I can hear something now. Oh yeah. And here it is. This is what it's all been about. Never actually done an unboxing. And as we drop the cardboard box, oh, a bit awkward. And here it is. It's an indoor trampoline. I've just got to set it up. I'll just quickly show you the legs just fit on, and you get the supplied tool and you just tighten it up. Do that with all 6 legs. Here we go. Now we didn't get the handlebar on this one because it was too expensive, another $200 or $250. So, oh. So what they're talking is, and what I can see of all the videos I've watched, you're doing the just the health bounce with you pushing your heels down into the, just bouncing up and down, just like this. Lots more fancy moves, but I'm just going to concentrate on me doing this. Feels pretty good actually. In fact, it feels very good. Thanks to everybody for commenting and guessing what this mystery object was. The only one that came really close was Pam. She said a rebounder, but half a ball, and I think what she meant was you can get like a frame that fits underneath it and puts it on a 45-degree angle, and you can throw balls at it and it bounces off it, so you can catch it. But she came really close. Nobody else even really came that close at all. But I mean, these things have been around for donkey's years. I can remember going to the gym and seeing something similar to this sitting languishing in the corner of the gym. Nobody used it, but it was there, so they've obviously been around for a long time. But NASA swears by them. They reckon that when the astronauts came back from space, this was the quickest way to rebuild their muscles and bones that they lost, the bone density and the muscle mass they lost in space. This is a lot of fun. You can see how once you got a little bit fit, and once my knee heals up, well, that was the main reason for getting this, is my knee rehab. Something gentle that isn't hard on your joints. It's supposed to be really good for lymphatic drainage. That's the lymph system that runs parallel with your venous system, but your heart pumps around, but the lymph system doesn't have a pump. So the only way it moves, the lymph moves around your body, is through movement. And what this is supposed to do, according to NASA, is as you're at the top of the jump, you're weightless. And then when you come down to the bottom of these little jumps, you've got 2 G's of gravity pushing down. And it's that pressure differential that pumps the lymph around. And the lymph system goes around all your cells in your body and cleans out all the rubbish and junk. It's like a waste disposal system. Pumps it back, eventually pumps it back into your blood. Your blood goes to the blood goes to your kidneys, excreted out in your urine. So, something like 20 trillion cells in your body, and doing this is supposed to get every single cell in your body, because every single cell is full of water and nutrients and bits and pieces, and it will get sloshed up and down. Just like shaking a bottle full of water with the lid on, shake it up, cleans the bottle out. And that's what you're doing with this. Other benefits are it's supposed to get your heart rate up without undue stress. Like I'm barely having to use any effort to do this. It's good for bone density and osteoporosis. There's a myriad of benefits which I'll go through in a later video. Feet aren't even coming off the mat. This is awesome. I'll just give you a look at the underside of this one. Now this particular model, with my knee, I couldn't afford to get a cheap one and have one of these bungees break, or the mat to split, or one of the legs to snap off or something and get pitched onto the ground. So I've got to be really careful, especially at my age, to A, get my weight down, and B, do the rehab. I've got to do the work. But I'll just show you underneath here. This one has got, if you can see this, it's got 4 knots on here. I'll bring it a bit closer. Not sure if you'll be able to see it. So the tension in these bungees is adjustable. So if you want to adjust it a little bit firmer, you move these all the way around. You'd move this knot around to the front to where that one is. And if you wanted it even firmer again, you do it with both. So it's two-way adjustable. You can make it, it's on the softest setting now, but I could make it firmer if I wanted to. So that's something to think about for the future. Anyway, so far I'm pretty impressed. I'm a little bit puffed. Can definitely feel the heart rate. I'll just check my heart rate's up to 120. So far my knee feels good, which I'm stoked about, because I was really worried that I'd jump on it and instantly I'd be in pain, which means I wouldn't be able to use it for months. So yeah, I think that's I think I'm going to leave it there. I give you the Jumpsport 370 and it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to sign off now. I hope you all have a great week. Stay safe, and hopefully I won't put myself through the ceiling or launch myself off one side or the other in the meantime. Stay safe, as I said, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm loving it.